So my hair has been in a bun since past 1 week. I'm not very proud of that, but as you can see, it's due for a good deep conditioning and to clarify my hair as well. I'm going to show you how I clarify my hair. So I use this clay, it's called Bentonite clay. Okay, it's like a natural shampoo, but it dries up your hair, so you need to follow it up with a deep conditioner. So this is something that you should use probably like say once a month. So it's my once a month routine. So let me just show you. So it looks like this. This is the bigger one that I have. So you want to take, now you have to really make sure that you use a non-metal bowl for taking this out. Okay, I'm just going to take 2 scoops because I have really long hair. I think I will need more. So 3 of these. Okay, now I'm going to add my apple cider to this. Okay, so I have gotten everything. I'm going to add my apple cider vinegar into this clay. Okay, so this is my apple cider. I'm just, you see, this reacts with the apple cider. It activates the clay. Can you see small bubbles? Yeah, it means the clay is getting activated. Now I have here added the apple cider according to me. If you don't like too much of the fragrance or anything, you can just do it according to you. But I think this must be around, yeah, this is it. So too much of apple cider can also dry out my hair. I think this must be what, 2 tablespoons maybe. I want to really make sure there are no lumps. This has to be like a super smooth paste. Now one step that I forgot to add here was the charcoal. Charcoal has a lot of good cleansing properties, so we are going to add around 1 teaspoon of charcoal. That's it. Okay, now our charcoal is added. So you can see this is a little too thick. It's like a mud consistency. Now we will work on that as well. Once we have formed in easily and everything is nice and smooth, let's add. So I have gotten here like warm water. Okay, this is really hot, as you can see. I'm just going to add this. So if you do not wish to add apple cider, or if you don't have it, this is another option. But apple cider really activates the clay. They work well together, and plus it helps balance the pH level of your hair. Now for added benefit, now this is completely your choice, you can also add 2 to 3 drops of any oil that you use. See, I'm just going to add 3 drops. This is optional completely. Now to this you can also add aloe vera juice, but I don't have it, for added benefits. There's a lot of things you can add. Amla juice also I think will work fine. Anything that cleanses and hydrates your hair will work very well with this. Okay, so this is how the final clay looks like after rigorously doing it. Yeah, so this has bentonite clay, apple cider, water, a little oil and charcoal. Now let me show you guys how to apply it. Okay, so here it is, and I'm just going to apply this mainly on my scalp, because your scalp has the most amount of grease that we need to counter. Okay, so let's do that.